My name is David Braun. My title is Quality Operations Engineer for ZAG Technical Services and Harbor IT. I'm going to be showing you a unified communications form that allows our technicians to send passwords and text messages to clients without having to use their individual cell phones or Google Voice numbers. So we just have a simple form here. You just select your message type, whether it's SMS or email, and it opens up some additional fields. You get to check whether it contains a password, which runs some additional code on the back end to secure it. And then you just put it in and hit submit. It's pretty straightforward. Email, like I said, same thing. And then that is all powered on the back end by a simple workflow. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 or 7 steps here. First thing that we do is sanitize the inputs, grab the field names, and send them into defaults. It then is going to select based on the context variable, whether it's an email or an SMS, based on these buttons here. And then that feeds into the SMS options and the email options. This is all powered by code that will strip out any Jinja that is involved, so that if somebody wanted to try to inject a Jinja code, for example, to do CTX organization or something like that into the form, they're not going to get back that actual Jinja return. It will send them an error message. This is just your SMS body here, essentially checking the string, set the text, check for Jinja, if it has Jinja, etc. And then a little automated message to say the replies aren't monitored. We've essentially outputted as a sanitized SMS body. That's all being built right here in this step. Same thing for the mail action. You just core send SMS, core send mail, and all of these options are right here. You just fill it out with your subject, your recipient, your title, and these are all driven by context variables within Rewst. And then same thing, you've got your option for some custom HTML, and we built in some HTML here to set a warning message to tell us if there is any invalid content. For example, if somebody has injected Jinja in here, they will get a message back saying invalid content detected rather than the actual return of the Jinja. And if you put a password, or if that box is checked to say send password, it will trigger this. Or if the word password or API key or anything like that is involved in your email, it will redact that, as we do not want those passwords to be saved or transmitted via email really in any way. So just some basic HTML and Jinja here to sanitize the body and the string. Check for the sensitive words. Like I said, if it says password, credential, PW, etc., we've just got a dictionary here. And then to go through and apply some final redaction, build the message so that it looks nice and pretty, and then send it out with your subject and message. It will also, at that point, go out to zenquotes.io, the random Zen quote generator, and stick a nice little Zen quote in your email there. And then we're going to return a send fail or a send success based on the results of the send. And then your workflow ends.